Best 3 battery-operated dehumidifier for Crawlspace. Number -1. ProBreeze Wireless Mini Dehumidifier for Small Spaces. The ProBreeze Wireless Mini Dehumidifier is a compact, portable and cordless dehumidifier that removes moisture from small areas. Features: non-toxic, safe around children and pets, spill and mess-free. Works in areas up to 333 cubic feet and lasts 20 to 30 days before renewing. Number -2. Evidry E333 Mini Dehumidifier. This mini dehumidifier is spill and mess-free. Just hang and go. Non-toxic, child and pet are safe. Your small rooms will be dry and odor-free. Number -3. New and improved Evidry E500 Renewable Mini Dehumidifier. The Evidry Renewable Mini Dehumidifier is a revolutionary new product that actually renews the silica gel beads inside the unit, making it truly renewable.